Ubisoft. It's slated for release for next month, and it's the first game that actually fully utilizes multi-touch. So you'll see in this trailer two guys going at each other. All they have in front of them, multi-touch monitors. No keyboard, no mouse. And if you'll notice, like these guys' expressions and such, they really get into it. They're zooming in, zooming out, rotating around the battlefield. Why so serious?
It's like that's I'm gonna bomb the whole fucking area.
Hey Jason, he plays like you, spray and pray.
What does that mean?
I'm just saying.
Spray and pray.